Kurt Trades here, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out your third brake light on your Subaru Impreza and Crosstrek. So this modification is really easy to do. All you're going to need is an 8mm deep socket wrench, and it takes just a few minutes. The brake light here, it isn't replaceable. You can't switch out the bulbs inside of it, so you have to get a whole new assembly. So you have to take this one out and put a brand new one in. You can't open up and get to the LEDs that are inside of it. They're enclosed inside. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to remove this upper panel on the inside of your trunk, and it basically just pulls straight off. It's easiest if you start at one end. Just kind of wiggle it as you pull it off. So take this off. Then all you're going to do is there's two screws inside these two holes right here. You just need a little socket, 8mm, and you're going to go up in here and take those two screws out. Now, when you take them out, be very careful that they don't fall down into the hole. And if you just hold your socket on them very steady, you can pull them out nice and easy. They're not on there very tight at all. Just go nice and slow when you bring them out so you don't knock them off. They're just little 8mm nuts like that. So once you get those two 8mm sockets out, there's two little black tabs that you're going to need to push in when you push the light out through the outside. And you're just going to put your fingers in through these two holes here, and you should feel them right in up here. Again, they're black and they're on the inside of the third brake light. You kind of want to do both tabs at the same time. If you do one first and the other, it gets kind of crooked in there and it won't really come out very easily. And it'll pop out through the other side. So once it pops off here, you're just going to unhook this clip right here, and all you do is you push in on this tab, slide it out, and there you have your third brake light. It's all sealed in here, and you can get full replacements of these. They even sell some like smoked ones, so they're not red, they're just like black or gray. And this is where your nozzle is for your back windshield washer. Again, that's not like attached to this at all, which is kind of nice because you don't have to unhook it at all. When you install it, you're just going to plug this back in like so, and then you're going to stuff it back in there, and then you're going to go in from the inside and reattach those two nuts, and it's all good to go. I had a little bit of issues with some water draining back here, and I had some water drips coming from the back of here. I believe they were coming from the third brake light. What you can do to check is with this back panel is you can check up here, and if you see little residue from water in here, then you know it was probably your third brake light. And if you swap out the third brake light, the new one will come with another gasket. So if you find water dripping out of the corners here into your back hatch, it could be from the third brake light. And this is one easy way to check, and this will probably fix your problem too. If you found this helpful, please subscribe because it's super helpful to me, and thanks for watching.